Dear students, I am Dr. Sasikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching fluid machinery in BE 5th semester. Next is displacement thickness. It is defined as the distance measured perpendicular to boundary of solid body by which the boundary should be displaced to compensate for reduction in flow rate on account of boundary layer formation. It is denoted by del star. It is also defined as the distance perpendicular to the boundary perpendicular distance to the boundary by which the free stream is displaced due to the formation of boundary layer. Free stream is displaced due to formation of boundary layer. Due to formation of boundary layer. Boundary layer. Consider the flow of fluid having free stream velocity u over a thin smooth plate as shown in the figure at a distance x from the leading edge. Consider the section 1-1. This is section 1-1. The velocity of fluid at B is 0. Here the velocity of fluid at B is 0, and at C, which lies on the boundary layer, is U. This is the point lies in the boundary layer. Here the velocity is U. The velocity varies from 0 at B to U at C, where BC is equal to thickness of boundary layer. Here this BC is the thickness of boundary layer. Thickness of boundary layer. That is distance BC equal to del. Distance BC equal to del. At section 1-1, consider an elemental strip. This is a strip considered here. An elemental strip. Here y is distance of elemental strip from the plate. This is the distance y. dy is the thickness of elemental strip. This is dy is the thickness of elemental strip. U is velocity of fluid at elemental spread. Here this velocity is U, small u is the velocity of fluid at elemental strip, and B is width of plate. B is width of plate. Then area of elemental strip dA is equal to B into dy. B into dy. Mass of fluid per second flowing through elemental strip, mass of fluid equal to rho into velocity into area, velocity into area of elemental strip. Elemental strip. So this is rho u into dA, that is equal to rho u b dy, b dy. This is the mass of fluid per second flowing through elemental strip. If there had been no plate, then the fluid would have been flowing with a constant velocity equal to free stream velocity u at section 1,1. Then mass of fluid per second flowing through elemental strip would have been, then mass flowing per second would have been rho into velocity into area. This is for free flow. Then this is equal to rho into u into b dy. As u is more than u, here this capital U is more than small u. This is small u. Hence, due to presence of plate and consequently due to the formation of boundary layer, there will be a reduction in mass flowing per second through elemental strip. Here is reduction in mass, flowing per second, mass flowing per second. Yes, mass flowing per second through elemental strip. So that is equal to mass per second given by equation 2 by mass per second equation 1. Equation 2 of equation 2 minus mass per second of equation 1. This is the equation 2. So this is rho u b dy minus rho u b dy. This is small u. So keeping rho be common, capital U minus small u dy. So reduction in mass of fluid flowing through BC due to plate. So reduction is equal to from 0 to del integrating rho u, rho b, u minus u dy, u minus u dy equal to rho b common 0 to del u minus u dy, u minus u dy. This is equation number 3. Now, if the fluid is incompressible, let the plate is displaced by a distance del dash and velocity of flow for the distance del dash is equal to free stream velocity capital U, loss of mass of the fluid per second flowing through distance del dash, fluid per second flowing through is equal to rho into velocity into area, rho into velocity into area, that is equal to rho into u into del dash into b, because area equal to del dash into b. This area is equal to del dash into b. Equating equation 3 and 4. This is equation 4. We will get rho b integration 0 to del u minus u dy equal to rho u db, rho u del dash b, cancelling d b from both rho and b from both the equations. We have 0 to del u minus u dy equal to u del dash, or del dash equal to 1 by u. This is capital U. This is 1 by u here. U minus u dy. This is u minus u dy. Integration from 0 to del. That is equal to 0 to del u minus u by u. This is also capital U. Free flow velocity u dy. U is constant and can be taken inside the integral. So del dash equal to integration from 0 to del 1 minus u by u, small u by capital U dy. This is the equation for the thickness del dash, most important equation for the displacement thickness. Next momentum thickness is defined as distance measured perpendicular to boundary of the solid body from this here, perpendicular to boundary of perpendicular to boundary perpendicular to boundary of the solid body, by which the boundary should be displaced to compensate for reduction in momentum. Reduction in momentum solid body momentum of flowing fluid on account of boundary layer formation. It is denoted by theta. Consider the flow over a plate as shown in the figure. Consider section 1-1 at a distance x from the leading edge. Take an elementary strip at distance y from the plate having thickness dy. This elementary strip thickness is dy. The mass of fluid flowing per second through this elementary strip is given by equation 1 and is equal to PU B dy. This earlier equation has taken here. So momentum of this fluid, momentum of this fluid is equal to mass into velocity, that is equal to rho u b dy into u. So momentum of this fluid in the absence of boundary layer, momentum in absence of boundary layer, in the absence of boundary layer equal to rho u b dy into u. Here small u and this one is capital U. So loss of momentum through elementary strip equal to rho u b dy into capital U minus rho u b dy into small u. Now that is equal to rho bu into u minus small u. This is also small u and dy. This one is small u. Okay. Now total loss of momentum per second through BC total loss of momentum momentum per second through BC per second through BC is equal to 0 to del rho u rho bu u minus uy u minus u dy. This is equation. Let theta is equal to the distance. Let theta is equal to distance by which plate is displaced when the fluid is flowing with a constant velocity u. So loss of momentum per second of fluid flowing through distance theta with a velocity u is equal to, so the loss of momentum per second of fluid flowing through distance theta with a velocity capital U is equal to mass of fluid through theta, mass of fluid through theta into velocity equal to rho area into velocity into velocity that is equal to rho theta into B capital U into capital U, because here area equal to theta into B. So this is equal to rho theta B U square. This is equation 2. Now equating both the equations 1 and 2, we know that rho theta Bu square equal to 0 to theta rho Bu small u capital U minus small u dy equal to rho B 0 to theta u capital U minus small u is also small u dy. If fluid is assumed incompressible or theta u square equal to 0 to del small u capital U minus u small u dy, cancelling rho B from both the sides, this rho B, both the sides. So theta equal to 1 by u square 0 to del small u into capital U minus small u dy or theta equal to from 0 to del small u capital U minus small u is divided by u square capital U square into dy with theta and this theta equal to integrating from 0 to del small u by capital U, small u by capital U into 1 minus u by u small u by capital U into dy. This is the main equation here for the value of this momentum thickness.